Hello and welcome. This video is brought to you by Get Right Property, your trusted real estate advisory platform. Today we are going to explore a monumental canvas, Sobha One World. Developed by Sobha, a trusted developer, this project is going to be the next generation of integrated mega communities. Before we get in detail about this project, let me help you understand about Get Right Property. Get Right Property is your advisory real estate platform with 8 years of experience. Get Right Property is here to advise and guide you to choose the right property, which matches your requirement and helps you select the best deal out there. All this is with zero brokerage, which means we give you a direct builder pricing with no hidden costs, and if you book through us, you will get the latest iPhone as a complimentary gift. In this video, we'll be covering project overview, location advantage, amenities, investment potential, developer credibility, why is this project, who is this project for, and configurations. Today, in this project overview, we'll be giving you the details regarding the project. Sobha One World is a masterfully realized, fully integrated development encompassing residences, retail hubs, wellness zones, and vast community spaces. Here's what makes Phase 1 truly spectacular: massive scale. The Phase 1 alone spreads across 48 acres and 15.32 guntas, and it is a part of large 150 plus acre massive township vision of Sobha. There are 3,484 residential units spread across 14 high-rise wings. There are 3 basements plus ground floor parking plus first floor parking plus 45 to 46 floors. So this is not just another apartment project. It is an entire life-centric ecosystem which adapts to the general modern lifestyle and gives you global experiences with top-tier education and best of the best healthcare facilities all around. For RERA details, construction status, inventory updates, and to book a free site visit www.getrightproperty.com or call us at the given number. Although the model flat and project miniature are still under preparation, customer bookings are already underway. That's exactly why we are here, to give you an early look of this much awaited project. Sobha One World is strategically positioned in Greater Whitefield. It has great connectivity and future infrastructure. The Bangalore-Chennai Expressway, which is yet to be launched in the early 2027, is just 10 minutes away from this place. The STRR is also 5 to 10 minutes away from this place. The functional Whitefield Metro Station Purple Line is also nearby. For the top-tier education for your children, the Brigade School, the Chrysalis High School and the National Public School are all within 5 to 10 kilometers away. The famous hospitals like Manipal Hospital, Vaidehi Hospital are all nearby. Also, for all the IT professionals, the ITPL and GR Tech Park are located nearby, and Orion Uptown Mall is within 2 kilometers away for all the shopaholics. To know more about the locations, the connectivity, hospitals, malls, restaurants nearby, go and visit www.getrightproperty.com. You will get complete details there. Whether your plans change in the future or you decide to rent, resale or upgrade your property, Get Right Property becomes your trusted advisor. So visit www.getrightproperty.com. Speaking of the configurations, for 1 BHK residence, it is 734 square feet. For 2 BHK Lux, it is 1063 square feet. For 2 BHK Grand, it is 1204 square feet. For 3 BHK Lux, it is 1510 square feet. For 3 BHK Grand, it is 1735 to 1838 square feet. For 4 BHK Lux, it is 2096 square feet, and 4 BHK Grand comes in 2415 square feet. To know more about the configurations, visit www.getrightproperty.com or call us at the given number. Speaking of the amenities, Sobha One World doesn't just offer you amenities, it gives you a lifestyle experience. Inside the community, you will be having One World Plaza along with wellness gardens, Tuscan gardens, reflexology pathways. You will be having kids pool, leisure pool, Also, you will be having one mega clubhouse which is spread across 1,20,000 square feet, which is across 2.4 acres. And the highlight of this community is one emporium, which is a 65,000 square feet retail space where you will be having everything which is required for your everyday conveniences. Not just that, you will also be having Mediterranean serenity with a warmth of European settings, olive-like trees, Tuscan gardens and an amphitheater along with an oasis trail. To know more about the amenities, visit www.getrightproperty.com. You will get all the details regarding all the amenities available in the community. Sobha One World is developed by Sobha, a trusted developer with an extraordinary pan-India legacy spanning over 3 decades. They have 200 plus completed projects, 5 upcoming projects and 5 to 6 ongoing projects which are on sale. To know more about the developer, quickly head to our website www.getrightproperty.com or call us at the given number. From an investment perspective, Sobha One World presents long-term value. The presence of 65,000 square feet one emporium itself draws visibility and desirability, increasing the rental demand and future property value. Also, the upcoming Bangalore-Chennai Expressway, STRR and Purple Line Metro will strengthen the connectivity, and larger townships eventually attracts larger property value. Now let me tell you who this project is ideal for. This project is absolutely ideal for IT professionals and executives who are looking for a seamless connectivity to ITPL and other major tech hubs nearby. Also for families who are looking for a life-centric holistic living with world-class education, healthcare and other amenities around you. Also for investors who want to capitalize on the exclusive pre-launch pricing of 150 plus acre mega community built by top tier builder. Plans may change, you may move abroad or you have changing financial requirements. Get Right Property is always there to help you. So other companies always help you until the booking process is done, but our relationship starts after the purchase. Whether you require rental assistance, resale support or any property related guidance, our advisory team is always there to help you. And remember, all this comes with zero brokerage. Now we'll let you know why this project. Most of the residential projects focus on the walls of the apartment. Sobha One World goes beyond that. Now, why this project stands out is because it has a backward integration model, which means Sobha One World designs, crafts and engineers everything out of their own and ensuring quality and standard. Also, the houses will give you sweeping views with cross ventilation, abundant natural light. It is a part of 150 plus acre of Sobha One World Township vision. So this will give you future appreciation as well. So this mega community guarantees long-term value appreciation. From an advisory perspective, this project is safe, practical and user-driven project which usually runs better in the long run. The project is offering an exclusive pre-launch offer at 13,555 per square feet, but soon this will be revised to 13,999 per square feet. Lastly, I want to thank Akshay for assisting me, guiding me throughout this walkthrough and the entire Sobha One World team. Also, a huge thanks to the builder for providing me this opportunity. If you are looking for a dream home or landmark investment in Greater Whitefield, Sobha One World demands your attention. To know more about pricing or schedule a site visit, contact Get Right Property today, which comes with zero brokerage. Also, before signing off, I would like to ask you a question. Which project would you like us to review next? We'll try covering that in our next walkthrough. So please comment down below. This is Lisa signing off.